Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Chairman of the local organizing committee for the Jamaica Athletics Invitational, Ludlow Watts, is promising high-level track and field action for the fans on May 11 when the meet makes its debut at the National Stadium. In what will be a World Continental Tour meet, Watts is confident that the event, which has taken the place of the Jamaica International Invitational, will be of high quality, given that 14 events will be contested in over 2.5 hours.
We have a number of partners, international locals, got them prepared to deal with the National Federation. They have partnered with the Jamaica Athletics Association and partnering with an event which is not necessarily always the same as the fully stage race. So the point, we have decided that all our events, everything that we do, will be done on the umbrella Jamaica Athletics Creative Association Invitational, Invitational. So that's what we will run. So it's part of fully J-Trade, fully run by J-Trade, fully managed by J-Trade. Although that was the case in the past.
Watts hinted that this year will be the birth of what is to come for many more years.
We have started a bit late, but going forward like next year, we have everything in place for going forward in the biggest way ever. In other words, everything is already in place for next year and the next year and the next year and the next year. So this year, we might not fully capture everything that athletes would not say an international meet would have, a Diamond League would have. But by next year, nobody will not fall below any Diamond League event in terms of quality of athletes, leadership, management of the system, and everything that goes into making an event that is spectator friendly, athlete friendly in every aspect of what's happening.